straight. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another awesome unboxing video for you. Alright, well for me too, because, you know, it's good stuff. So anyways, first of all, do you notice the big difference? So I have a ring light. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm official. We're stepping our game up. I got a new phone, aka camera. Much better quality. You are looking at the Galaxy S10. Just came out yesterday. I'm super excited to be a proud owner of it, and a new ring light. And I have a background on the way, and we're stepping our game up, and we are legit. So today, yeah, let me know what you think. But anyways, today I got my Ipsy. I actually also got my Boxy Luxe for March, but we're gonna do that, and so that will be up for my Tuesday video, so if you hold on for that one. But this is my first ever Ipsy Glam Plus. Now, from what I understand, there has been a wait list. I seriously just signed up, and I got one regular Ipsy $10 bag, and I said, yes, I want to, you know, upgrade when it asked me, and it said you're on a wait list, but then I got it, like, this is the second time I've ever gotten Ipsy, so it was pretty quick. So if you are on the wait list, then maybe try making a different account or something and see if that helps. But this is it. All right, so it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And there is what we got. Now, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, the regular one is $10 a month. The Glam Plus is $25 a month, I think. But you also, what I like about it is you get the option for add-ons. So you can add on $3 samples or $12 for different full-size products that you want to try. So those are like really discounted. So this is the second time I've gotten Ipsy, and of course I had to do some more add-ons because I like being extra like that. But this is, you know, the little thing that tells you what's in it. And they do have, this one does have retail prices, which is very cool because I don't think the regular Ipsy had retail prices. So first, I'm gonna just show you my little add-ons. I just got two little sample add-ons for $3 a piece. The first one is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay. I'm sure you've seen the ads for it all over YouTube. This is the Pore Refining Face Mask. My last video, I also got my first one. I got the exfoliator, and this one is the actual mask, and this stuff is expensive, so I really wanted to try. Look at that, this is so much better. You can actually see what I'm showing you. Like, how awesome is that? So I will say the exfoliator one, it says clay, and like it's like natural clay, like you're putting mud on your face, so it's not the best smelling stuff. I'm fully expecting this one to be the same, but supposedly it works really good and all of that good stuff for your skin, so I will let you know how that goes. This is Answer From, I guess is the brand, Luminous Collagen Eye Cream. Energizing and smoothing. There. And yeah, so it's just an eye cream. I don't currently have any, so this feels pretty empty. Pretty sure there's not a whole lot of product in here, but I will definitely try that. Now to get into the normal Ipsy. This is what I got, and I don't know what the variations are or how this works, so let's just do it. So the very first thing on top is the Huda. What is the deal? Huda the Beauty Mauve Obsessions. Now, I have said before, I am really over neutral palettes. I have gotten so many in my boxes over the last year. I really don't need any more. So, I'm not swatching this. I'm most likely not keeping it. This is what it looks like. So you got your shimmers, you got your mattes. There's, you know, some good stuff, but that is what that looks like. All right, so the second thing, might help if you know the retail. This one, it retails for $27, and that is a regular, that's like the size of their palettes, so that's good. All right, let's skip to the brushes. This is, again, I think these are all full-size products. Let's see, 5-piece set of Farrah Be Beautiful, Be You. Now I can't, oh, duh. I'm sitting here trying to rip it on the side and it just opens like a Ziploc container. All right, now these are very fluffy brushes. I don't use a lot of fluffy brushes. It's pretty much like these two are the same, these two are the same, and then this one's like a little flat kind of angle one. These are the ones that I mostly wear. I don't use the other ones a whole lot, so this one's wider and this one's more than this one, so I don't know. There's not a whole lot of difference in those, but these retail for $50. Okay, yeah, so we got 3 more things in this box, so that was a total of 5 things in this box. So with this one, you got Real Her I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, this is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free. Let's see what color we got. Oh, I Am Adaptable, I guess, is the color. Okay, so this is the color. It is bright red. I'm okay with this. I do not currently have red lipsticks, but you gotta have it in your collection. I feel like it's a must-have for everyone's collection. You gotta have at least one red lipstick. So this retails for $14. So it is like a matte liquid. So there's no smell. Let's swatch her. So that's in person, it looks darker than what it's showing up here. In there, it's showing like a really bright, it's like a dark red. That is a really, really pretty color. I definitely like that a lot. All right, the next thing is Dandelion Shy Beam Nude Pink Matte Radiance Highlighter. So this is showing like, I don't know if this is the color of it. So this one, okay, and it is from Benefit. So this is Benefit. And it retails for $26. It says the nail polish-like brushes make it easy to paint on the areas you want and then use your finger to blend it out. So let's see what this looks like. This is what it looks like. Very fancy. It feels like a metal container. And I guess it says like a nail polish. It is kind of like a little nail polish. Whoa. It is legit like a nail polish. Like what? And it's nude. It's not shimmery like a highlight. It almost looks like a blush. I was gonna try it on my face, but we're getting ready to go out somewhere. And I don't know. I'm not sure about this. This is what it looks like on. And then we're gonna blend it out. And if anything, it just looks like a little, I don't know, it's not a lot of shimmer. It's almost like a concealer kind of color. I don't get this. I don't get it. I guess I'll try it. I don't know. I'm not quite sure how that's gonna work or what this is supposed to do. I don't know. But there that is. We'll try it on our cheeks at some point. And the very last thing in here is Purlisse. I'm not actually a big fan of their products. I had a sample size of like a lip thing before and it just didn't seem like it did a whole lot. Like it wasn't moisturizing to me. This is Prevent Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. It's just hydration, fine line prevention, perfect for under your makeup. So you can use it as a moisturizer on your face, I guess, before you put makeup on. And this retails for $45. It says apply morning and night for soft, smooth, and moisturized skin. So let's see. Of course, it has the little seal on it. All right, let's put that on. can't describe the smell. It's almost kind of cocoa buttery smelling. I don't know, it's a weird kind of smell. It's not floral, it's kind of sweet, like a sweet smell. Definitely, it's moisturizing. It's doesn't feel too greasy or anything. So I know it's not really for your hands, but you know, that's fine. But anyways, yeah, so that is my Ipsy Glam Plus bag. Let me know what you guys think. I am debating on maybe either switching back to the regular $10 one or adding it and kind of comparing the two, because the $10 bag really is good. I like that you get the bag with it and all of that, and I'm not sure if this is more things that I would really continue to like to get or not. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of my box and if it was different from other ones that you have seen or not. I'm still kind of learning about the whole Ipsy thing, so. But yeah, give it a big thumbs up. A thumbs up, and if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. Stay tuned for my Boxy Lux. I'm getting ready to film that very soon, and that'll be up on Tuesday, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye.